From Earth to the stars, Turkey's journey has just begun. On January 14, 2025, Turkey made headlines as Fergani Uzay launched its first satellite, FGN-100D1, aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. This milestone marks the dawn of Turkey's independent global navigation satellite system, a game-changer for national security and technological sovereignty. Led by visionary CEO Selçuk Bayraktar, Fergani Uzay is pioneering a constellation of satellites, reducing Turkey's reliance on foreign infrastructure. The successful launch of FGN-100D1 wasn't just a technical triumph, it was a bold statement of national ambition and innovation. Imagine a Turkey with its own GPS-like system tailored to its needs and bolstering its geopolitical influence. That future is now within reach. With more satellites and groundbreaking technologies on the horizon, Turkey is poised to become a major player in the global space arena. This launch is more than a milestone. It's a testament to Turkey's unyielding drive for technological independence and space exploration. It has announced a bold plan. It wants to build a space base, not just anywhere, but in Somalia. This unexpected move has generated a lot of buzz in the space community. Is it feasible? What are the motivations behind it? This is a big step for Turkey. It signals its ambition to become a major player in the space race. The project is ambitious, but Turkey seems determined it could change the landscape of space exploration. This is about more than just launching rockets. It's about scientific advancement, it's about international collaboration, and it's about inspiring future generations. This is a story with global implications. Somalia holds a unique advantage for space launches, its proximity to the equator. Launching rockets from the equator requires less fuel. This is because the Earth's rotation provides an extra boost. This makes Somalia an attractive location for a spaceport. It could significantly reduce launch costs. This could make space exploration more accessible to countries with limited budgets. Somalia's long coastline also offers advantages. It provides ample space for launch facilities. It also allows for a variety of launch trajectories. This is crucial for reaching different orbits and destinations in space. The estimated cost for this ambitious project is around $6 billion. This is a significant investment, even for a country with a growing economy like Turkey. To make this dream a reality, Turkey is actively seeking international partners. The UAE, with its own space program, is a potential collaborator. Both countries have a history of cooperation in various sectors. A partnership could be mutually beneficial. It could pool resources and expertise. Securing funding will be crucial. This project requires cutting-edge technology and infrastructure. It also needs a skilled workforce. International collaboration is key to making this project a success. Section 4, Reaching for the Stars, Turkey's Scientific Goals. Turkey has outlined ambitious scientific goals for its space program. These include developing its own satellites. It also aims to conduct research in astrophysics and Earth observation. These goals require advanced technology and expertise. The space base in Somalia could serve as a hub for scientific collaboration. It could attract researchers and engineers from around the world. This project has the potential to advance our understanding of the universe. It could also lead to technological innovations with applications here on Earth. This is a testament to Turkey's commitment to scientific progress. Section 5, A History of Collaboration, Turkey and Somalia. Turkey and Somalia share a history of cooperation. Turkey has been a major provider of aid and investment in Somalia. This includes building hospitals, schools and infrastructure. Turkey has also been active in Somalia's security sector. It has provided military training and equipment. This collaboration has strengthened ties between the two countries. The proposed space base represents a new chapter in this relationship. It's a testament to the growing trust and partnership between Turkey and Somalia. This project has the potential to bring significant benefits to both nations.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.